Gold and silver for the day traded with modest bearishness, and most importantly, the levels you should note. I have mentioned 2618, 2620 as the prime support zone for gold for the day. What has happened? Hitting the zone, we have seen gold reversing. Likewise for silver, 3080 levels proven out to be a greater support. Now, what to expect from the metals with the US session? Can we expect a recovery? Can we expect a complete reversal and again a rise like yesterday, or there is a possibility of further drop? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold and silver today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. We'll do a multi-time frame analysis and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with confidence, trade with logic. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. This is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and a logic for you to take a trade. Do like, share, and comment, which is a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. See, gold on the early charts has formed a very strong base now at 2620 levels, and 2620, 2618 is indeed a very good support. If you look at the formation here, see what has happened. Slightly lower lows and slightly higher highs are seen. Now, after staying with this as support, it is trying to bounce back. Now, it is very important to note that it has to break beyond 2640-42 zone. That is the only level above you can say that gold has turned bullish for the day. As long as it stays below 2640-42, we should be cautious here with the buys, though we can initiate a buying entry at 26 34 36 zone, but ideally I will say you have to be very cautious till 2640-42. Now see, it is trying to approach towards the median of the Bollinger Bands and trying to stay above the 20 period moving average. The far it goes away from the 20 period moving average, the more bullish it is going to be. So this is something you should keep a note of. Stochastic is starting to rise. MACD on the early charts, as discussed earlier, that see it has seen a good enough rise. It has to retrace. It did the retracement. Now trying to cross over again for the buys. Let's see if it crosses over. RSI rising, coming to 2 on the 2 hour charts. Another point to note, it has come down to take the support from the 20 period moving average. It was trading with divergence, and see, the point to note here is the moving averages have crossed over, which is a good bullish sign. What has happened? Hitting the support zone, it is now trying to bounce back, and possibly the current candle might take it a little higher. There is a possibility to it where we can see gold again moving towards 36 levels, or in fact 2640-42 levels, breaking beyond which is where you can say the bulls will be taking over. Right now I can see a bit of hesitation here at 2630-32 zone. Stochastic rising, see, look at the MACD. Now here you should notice the MACD has crossed over here at the top, and it is right now trading with slight divergence, slight bearishness. Though it is not that the MACD cannot hit further highs, but right now it is trading on the sell side. I will wait for it to again cross over on the buy in order to confirm a reversal here. RSI has dropped a bit, coming to 3. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, the crossover here is bullish, and if you look at it, has found a very good support now at 2618 zone, which is indeed a very good support. Preceding candle also delivered higher lows, and thus it suggests that we may see it continuing with this bullish move at least for a while. But only bullishness, only reversal confirmation is above 2640-42, very clear, above which we will be looking forward to 2648-52 as the first target. And then if it trades about 2648-52, 2660 is the next target, which is achievable. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. It has not yet crossed over. It is still having room for further rise. See, though the convergence here, you should notice it has seen a stronger rise, stronger move, and thus it calls for it to retrace, but I will wait for a clear bearish candle for it to cross over and stay in cells. RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to the 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour charts also, 50 period moving average provided it a support. See, one single candle erasing the gains from all the 4-5 candles here, and now it is trying to recover some part of it. Only bullishness, very clear about 2640-42. So in fact you can buy here at 2632 itself, but then it is going to be riskier till 2640-42 is not taken. Moving averages are looking upwards. It is a good sign for the bulls. Stochastic has dropped. MACD is still in green. RSI is trading at the top. Coming to the day, now see, look at the daily charts. First of all, look at the formation here. What has happened? See, bearishness here, diminishing bearishness, reversal sign, first bullish candle, second bullish candle, and look at the body sizes here. Diminishing bullishness is what you can see. Body sizes are getting smaller. Today what has happened so far, it has delivered higher lows. Now in if it breaks beyond 2648-52, then certainly we are looking forward to 2660. But first and foremost, it has to stay above 2640-42, which is going to be a prime resistance. What will happen then? See, it will be treated as a tail, and then we can look forward to a stronger body here. So this is something you should watch out for. If you look at the stock, I think this is getting overbought. The MACD is trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over for a buy. It is trying to cross over here. Right now, it is still staying on the sell side, and RSI trading at a comfortable zone. So looking at this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn the art of trading, you can be part of my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, buying entries 2632 you can buy. Be careful at 2635, 36, 26, 40, 42. If these two levels are taken, close your eyes, stay bullish for 26, 48, 52 as the next target, 26, 60, 64 as the third, beyond which sky is the limit. We can expect a move towards 26, 71, 80 levels very, very soon, if not today. On the downside, a selling entry can be taken at 2626 levels, but then 2622, 2620 is going to be the first and foremost support. If it breaks below 2622, 2620 levels, then you can say the bearishness will prevail, and then you can look forward to a drop here. So if it drops below 2622, 2620 zone, we can look forward to a move towards 2614, and then the next critical support at 2610.08 will come into picture. Any drop below 2610, 2608 is a sign of reversal, where we can expect more drop, where we can expect a drop below 2600, and in fact it can move towards 2591 and 2584 levels, chances for which appears to be less. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. If you look at silver on the hourly chart, see on the hourly charts, you can see how silver has traded drop, retracement, drop. It is trying to retrace. So this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. Where are the highs for this channel? At around 3120. Only bullishness is if it trades beyond 3140 levels, then you can say that this is reversed. It is forming a nice flag here. It can bounce back. It can cover up the losses for the day. And thus, if you see it is staying above 31, you can initiate a buying entry. Expect 3110. See, if you're buying at 31, it is going to be slightly riskier till towards 3120, 25, and then towards 3140. Only bullishness is if you see it is staying above 3140. Stochastic oversold. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is trying to bounce back. On the 2 hour charts, when you see what has happened, see diminishing bearishness, then a reversal sign, and if you see it now trading above 31, we can look forward to bullishness. Possibility of a move towards 31 2025 exists, and if that is taken, then 3140 levels. Only reversal confirmation, only bullish confirmation in silver is if you see it is staying above 3140 levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD trying to crossover and trading with bearishness here, while RSI is almost has flattened here and is trading in a comfortable zone. Coming to 3 hour, look at 3 hour charts. See, I can see series of bearish candle, but if you notice the formation, see drop, retracement, drop, it could retrace and it could come towards the top of this, which means a possible move towards 3110, 3120 cannot be denied. And if it trades above 3140 zone, then you should treat this as reversal. Then only we should treat this. Thus, it is very, very important for silver for now to trade above 31, 3120 zone, which is going to remain the prime resistance zone for the day. See here, the moving averages after crossing over on the buy side is now starting to look downwards. However, I will still say that it is not turning bearish. If you look at the formation here, right, it's retracement, rise, retracement. If you connect the dots here, it is almost at the bottom of the channel, and a possible recovery from the bottom of the channel cannot be denied here. So this is something you should keep a watch of, and that is why I say 30.95, $31 levels itself you can buy. When you see the lower prices above 30.95, 31, you can initiate a buying entry here. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. Look at the MACD. See, this is a slight bearish sign here. So see, this is crossed over at the top, and it is right now looking down. Though it is not that it cannot rise further, see it is consolidated here, and thus it can still reverse and rise. And if you look at the formation I have shared with you earlier, divide this into two, look at the formation, and this one possibility is what I am looking at, that it can retrace a little before bouncing back. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 4 hour charts, when you look at the 4 hour, you will find that the preceding candle was a swing candle here, and now I can see a bit of a struggle till towards 31, and that is why I say once you see it staying above 30.95, 31, then only we can expect a little rise. And then also till 31.20 you have to remain extremely cautious. 31.20, 30 is going to be the prime resistance zone, and then we know that 31.50, 60 levels will come into picture as a greater resistance. Stochastic has come to an oversold zone. MACD again crossing over for sell. RSI is trading comfortable, trading flat. Coming to the daily. Now, this is important to note on the daily chart. See, right now, after forming this strong solid support, it has seen a good rise. But you can also notice the 20-50 period moving average, which is crossed over here. These are trading with divergence, these are trading bearish, and these are providing it a greater resistance here on the. And now if you see, already we have seen lot much of pull on the downside, and any drop below 30.75, 30.70 should be a good indication that we may see a move towards 30.50, and 30.50, 30.40 should be a very good support, and then 30.20 levels. If that is taken, you can expect a greater move here. Be mindful, be watchful of this. Right now it is on the verge of confirming the direction it wants to take, and any drop below 30.20 should be a very good indication of a crash here in making. Right now I will say it is still very early to conclude. It can still bounce back, it can still recover. Stochastic at top, MACD is bearish, trying to converge here. The RSI is almost comfortable, and thus considering this, you can in fact buy at 30.95. When you see the lower price above 30.95, initiate a buying entry, expect it to move towards. So if you see it is staying above 30.95, I will be looking forward to 31.10, 31.25 levels as the next targets, and then we know 31.40, 31.60 levels. So till there it has got greater resistances on the upside. As long as it stays below 31.60, once it breaks out beyond 31.60, target is towards $32 levels directly. On the downside, you can sell here at 30.75, 30.70 zone, expect 30.50, 30.40 as the first target, 30.20 as the next, and below that you can expect a greater correction. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. See you again tomorrow with the Asia and Europe session. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Do join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.